Have you ever heard of Clickbank? Chances are, you likely have. And you have also been told that thousands of folks getting paid Clickbank commissions, without any advanced skills. They use the same success formula. A solid product. A funnel to convert. Traffic to make sales. And automation to scale up. Easy on paper, right? But sadly, you need to put a lot of effort and learning into this process, or spend deep pockets on hiring freelancers. So, what if you could click your mouse once, and have a fully functional Clickbank affiliate site, with your links? And what if this site ranked itself to page number 1 on Google overnight, for a flood of free traffic? With Clickbank, you can instantly publish a Clickbank affiliate site with your links and DIY content to Google page number 1 overnight. The very tool that saves you from tons of manual workloads, and expensive bills. Take a look at a sneak peek of the powerful features that Clickbank is built with. Create set and forget Clickbank sites with automated content. No need to write content by yourself, no need to hire freelancers. Just enter a keyword and get automated content in seconds. Multiple monetization methods, Clickbank, AdSense, banner ads, inline keyword, etc. Article spinner included to generate unique content. Cloud-based app, nothing to download or install. No hidden fees or extra tools are needed whatsoever. Free commercial license included. Would that interest you? Watch Clickbank in action. Activate your unique Clickbank affiliate site in just 4 steps. Step number 1, choose a site template. Step number 2, enter any keyword for the content to be auto-generated. Step number 3, input your Clickbank ID. Step number 4, press save to auto-rank your site to number 1 on Google. Easily get tons of traffic and sales every day. This is as simple as it gets. Because for the early users of Clickbank, the access is offered for just a low one-time price equivalent to the price of a takeout dinner for a couple. Click the button below right now to get started with Clickbank.